This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below. This video sponsored by Interplay Learning. Simulation-based step-by-step service testing procedures. Beginning to advanced courses available. A fun and entertaining way to advance your skills. Limited time discount. Link and promo code in description below.
Morning guys, February 2nd, 2019. This one here, I got a call for a gas furnace not working on the first floor. So I guess he's got second floor heat and nothing on the first floor. So I'm going over there and see if we can figure out what's going on with this guy. It's Saturday. It's a little after 11 o'clock. So it's a Saturday morning. So we'll see if we get this guy fixed up. Get him some heat. Fire and it shuts right off.
Yeah.
He's a little crusty. Well, we'll try cleaning the flame sensor. So she does fire and then she shuts right down.
Yeah, so if you flip on his, I don't know if you want me to flip it on.
Go ahead. You got propane in the tank, you said, right?
Yeah, 40%. Sometimes a blue flame will get it, and sometimes it won't. They did take off the bottom piece, the circuit board, that they said there's no elements.
Could be a dirty flame sensor. Alright, we'll check the pressure coming in. We'll check the pressure coming in and going out here.
Yeah. What's it show? It's coming in.
Well, I gotta turn it on and we'll check it. But we're coming in. We're coming into 1, and we're going out 2. Turn the gas on and see what we're coming in. All right, here we go. 13. We're coming in at 13. 2, so that's good.
Okay.
So let's turn it on and see if we get any gas pressure to go out on number 2. Number 2. So it goes. We should have gas pressure there. All right, so it's igniting. No gas pressure. So we might have a bad board or a bad gas valve.
It's going in.
Right. Sometimes what happens, these rollout switches trip. That one might have been tripped, that rollout switch. I felt it. Try it again. Yeah, because it ignited by a very small amount, like very, very, very wimpy type of thing. So we might have a bad gas valve here. Not in the truck. I mean, I'd have to go get it, and that's a propane kit on that too. So a lot of times they don't have them. We'll see. All right, she's glowing now. gas. So we'll have to see if we got power going to the gas valve. If we do, it's a bad gas valve.
Pain. I would not recommend them.
All right, so we got the 24 volts here. We'll see. Once it glows, we should have 24 volts. And if we do, the gas valve's not opening, right?
Okay. Yep.
We know we got pressure coming in. We got nothing going out, so I think it's the gas valve. It's good.
Below give you an error code though or something. If that's the case, or not necessarily.
Well, it might not be getting any voltage coming up. Let's see. We did reset. Okay, so we're getting the glow. Let's see if we get any gas, any voltage. Yep, we got voltage there. See it?
Yeah.
See the voltage? So we got a bad
And
gas.
it drops right down.
Yeah, well, it should have let the gas through. So we got a bad gas valve. Alright guys, I'm on my way to get another gas valve. What happened was the thing would glow, then it would try to ignite. I mean, just a small little tiny flame, like barely, the gas valve was barely opening type of thing. Well, there was a little flame that went up there, but a very small amount of gas went up to that. Just one burner. I mean, just a small amount. And just fired up for a second, that was it. So, got a bad gas valve there. It's not opening properly. So I'm on my way to get another gas valve, a propane kit. Give this guy heat. I tried to film it, but my battery went dead on my camera. So, alright guys, here's the White Rogers. The propane kit right in there. You're gonna take that spring out. I gotta put the spring in there for the propane. I do it right here at the supply house because sometimes these won't come out. So I gotta put that spring in there. That blue one. It's gonna go inside there. Gotta take the unit out. You gotta save this. See the difference in the spring? The blue spring is propane, and the other spring is natural gas. Alright, so then once I start it up, I'll check the pressure, and that's how you gotta do it. Comes with a little gasket. We'll check the pressure when we get to the job and install it. Jets all look fine. I did take these out, they're all clean. Alright, so I did clean the flame sensor. It really wasn't dirty, but... Alright, so once we start it, we'll check the gas pressure. It's on. Put it all back together. Did clean the burners. Flame sensor's clean. Gas is on. Should be able to fire it up. Once it fires up, we'll check the pressure. Yeah, we know we're coming in at 13. See, we're only at 7.5.
Yeah.
And that's, I can adjust it. Say that again?
How about the old gas valve?
just,
Guys, I'm not-
I don't know. Things break, right? Turn it in. Went doing around 11. So we're running right around 11. That's fine. Between 9 and 11 is good on the pressure. So I'm gonna have to shut it down and put the plug back in, but we're good here, okay? I know your wife's up there wants the heat, but well, it was a bad gas valve. Alright, we just shut it down. I'll put that plug back in the gas valve and we'll be good, okay? So you got an inlet and an outlet on this gas valve, so you can check the pressure coming in and the pressure going out, right?
Okay.
So I already did check the pressure coming in. I know it was fine.
And you said like 11 to 13, somewhere in that range.
9 to 11 go on a manifold, pressure's fine.
Yeah.
I mean, we're good. Alright, we'll fire it back up and get the door back on it, pick up my tools, and we'll be good to go. Plug back in. Put an inlet and an outlet.
Is this the valve and the conversion kit you've used in the past, or is this a new one for you?
No, it's just a different spring.
Okay.
Houston, we have ignition. Alright, new gas valve and propane kit. It's running. There was no error code. Warming up.